Hello, my name's Trevor. I'm one of the lead service techs here. We work on a lot of Shox Reverbs, and today I just want to show you how we test them after we get them finished up. So we don't have your remote line. Sometimes they're inside your frame. They're hard to get out, so I don't have the remote here in front of me, but Shox has taught me a special way on how to basically test these once I get them all put back together. Basically, when you get your line all bled, when you push the button, you're pushing oil up against a valve inside, just pushing this post open here. So I can pretty much use a 4mm Allen wrench, stick it in the bottom, push up on it, and you can see that your seat post came up flawlessly, smooth, no play, no extra noise in there. So that leads me to believe that this seat post is working exactly as it should. We have had some customers come back to us and say, hey, it's not going up all the way. Sometimes it gets stuck somewhere halfway. A lot of the time it comes down to the line bleed. So we service the post, but you still need to bleed the line or the lever, whatever you're using to operate the seat post. That needs its own special bleed that I can't do here because I don't have your remote, essentially. So one thing to keep up on is with these, there is your bleed port here in the bottom, but when you're trying to bleed it like this, you're gonna get an air bubble trapped up here somewhere. So sometimes when you bleed it, you may need to lay your seat post down, connect to the hose there, and then bleed it with your syringe going this way. So that way you can get all of the bubbles out of this chamber here instead of just right here. So that could be one thing that could really help you. Shox has also informed us that when you bleed your Shox Reverb seat post, is that bleed it with the free stroke or that plus dial on there, bleed that with that all the way out. So that way when you need that extra room, turn that back in, and that gives you a firmer push out of your lever. So try some of those things. If those don't quite work, then let us know.